So, today I'm gonna be going to do some more creek fishing. First some largemouth is probably all I'm gonna catch. I wish I could catch me some smallmouth, but there's smallmouth in that creek. There's also catfish, but mainly largemouth in there. So I'll catch some more fish this time than last time. If y'all wanna do me a favor, add me on Snapchat. Right here. Username is Cole_Riley18. Alright. Let's get the intro started.
Oh god! Holy crap! Oh my! Oh my! Oh, there's one! Alright, I'm ready.
Faded.
Danger's coming down here and there's a freaking spider. Oh Lord. Just took a giant. Oh! There's one. Feel that. I think I pulled one out from like over here too. Yep, there's one. Ha! As soon as I said that. Oh, he's wrapped around a branch. That was cool. Not much. Hold up, is that a bass? Yep, there's one. Good one. Good one. Good one. Good and good and oh, get on. There goes a Senko. Oh, come here. Get up and moving. I was like, oh, is that a bass? He's hooked pretty good. But okay, I gotta set that rod down. And he's tired. There we go. He's like, he's probably about a, holy crap, he's like a pound and a half. Good one though. It's missing a little bit. Back to the brace. Got this one. So, flipped it up under there, and he just came up and crushed it. Was forced to get that one out. Here he is. Nothing big. Spook him. But here he is. Working fishing with full belly. Oh, freaking stick. Oh, it came off. That's bad. Oh my gosh. You know,